Do organisms create exact copies of themselves? All organisms belonging to the same species appear similar. They create new individuals that also look like or resemble themselves. This is very clear from their external morphological features such as the type of leaves, the type of flowers, etc. The genetic material in all living organisms is organized in the form of DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid. The basic process in reproduction is the creation of a DNA copy. Cells use chemical reactions to create copies of their DNA. During this process, there is a possibility of some form of variation since no biochemical reaction can be absolutely reliable. Hence, the DNA copies generated are similar but not identical to the original parent DNA. Now, some of these variations can be so drastic that the new DNA cannot adjust to the new cellular machinery it inherits. On the other hand, some of these can actually prove to be beneficial for the new copy of DNA. Let us study the importance of these variations. The population of a particular species fill the well-defined places or niches in an ecosystem. Organisms need to perpetuate the consistency of DNA copying during reproduction for the maintenance of body features. This body design and features allow the organism to use that particular niche. The ecological system undergoes a constant change due to a variety of reasons. Some of these changes are beyond the control of the organisms. For example, fluctuations in temperature, water levels, etc. can affect the ability of the organism to survive. If the population of a species was suited to a particular habitat, and the habitat is drastically altered, then there is a possibility that the population could get wiped out. Under such conditions, if some variations were to be present in a few individuals of the species, then there would be some chance for them to survive. The individuals adapted to the new environment allow the survival of the species and thus prevent their extinction. For example, if a population of bacteria is surviving in water, and due to global warming the temperature of water increases, most of the bacteria will die. However, few species of bacteria which are resistant to heat will survive and grow further. Thus, we can infer that variation is beneficial to the survival of the species but not